I'm going to take you on a personal tour through Alfama's hidden gems, and by the end, you'll fall in love with this charming neighborhood just like I did. Lisbon's oldest neighborhood, Alfama, is a treasure trove of history, architecture, and culture. This picturesque district, nestled on the slopes of Lisbon's three hills, has been bewitching visitors for centuries. From Moorish influences to medieval alleys, Alfama is a testament to Lisbon's rich cultural heritage. As you wander through its narrow streets, you'll discover a neighborhood that's frozen in time. The colorful buildings, adorned with ornate tiles and picturesque balconies, seem to whisper stories of the past. The air is thick with history, and you can almost smell the scent of traditional Portuguese cuisine wafting from the local restaurants. Alfama's significance in Lisbon cannot be overstated. It's a neighborhood that has been shaped by the city's rich maritime history, and its unique charm has captivated visitors from around the world. From explorers to traders, artists to musicians, Alfama has been a melting pot of cultures, fostering a unique blend of traditions that's quintessentially Portuguese. As the oldest continuously inhabited neighborhood in Lisbon, Alfama has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the evolution of art and architecture, and the ever-changing tides of history. And yet, despite its storied past, Alfama remains a vibrant, living neighborhood where ancient traditions coexist seamlessly with modern-day life. As we embark on this journey through Alfama, you'll discover a neighborhood that's full of surprises. From the majestic Sé Cathedral to the castle of São Jorge, each twist and turn reveals a new hidden gem, a new story waiting to be told. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply a curious traveler, Alfama has something for everyone. Every step you take in Alfama is a journey through time. The narrow alleys, lined with Fado music and the scent of traditional cooking, transport you to an era long forgotten. The picturesque streets, adorned with colorful buildings and overflowing with flowers, are a photographer's dream. And the locals, with their warm smiles and infectious laughter, make you feel like you're part of the neighborhood. Explore Alfama, you'll notice the unique architecture that gives the neighborhood its distinctive character. From the Moorish arches to the Malin windows, every building tells a story of its own. The intricate tile work, the ornate balconies, and the picturesque courtyards all combine to create a visual feast that's unmatched anywhere else in Lisbon. From the top of the hills to the bottom of the narrow streets, Alfama is a neighborhood that's full of life. Whether it's the sound of Fado music drifting from a local tavern, the smell of freshly baked pastries wafting from a nearby cafe, or the chatter of locals enjoying a sunny afternoon, Alfama is a neighborhood that pulsates with energy. The atmosphere in Alfama is electric. It's a neighborhood where traditions are cherished, where community is at the heart of everything, and where the past and present blend seamlessly together. Whether you're exploring the narrow streets, visiting the local landmarks, or simply soaking up the atmosphere, Alfama is a neighborhood that will leave you enchanted. As the sun begins to set over Alfama, the neighborhood takes on a magical quality. The fading light casts a warm glow over the streets. The buildings seem to come alive, and the atmosphere becomes even more enchanting. It's a time of day when the locals come out to play, when the Fado music flows like wine, and when the very essence of Alfama is palpable. One of the highlights of my exploration of Alfama was experiencing a traditional Fado music performance. The haunting melodies, the soulful lyrics, and the raw emotion of the performance all combined to create an unforgettable experience. It was as if the music was speaking directly to my soul, conveying the passions, the struggles, and the triumphs of the Portuguese people. As I stood on the rooftop of a local tavern, taking in the breathtaking views of the city, I felt a deep connection to Alfama. It was as if the neighborhood had reached out and touched my heart, leaving an indelible mark that would stay with me forever. In that moment, I knew that I would return to Alfama again and again, drawn by its irresistible charm and its eternal beauty. As I reflect on my journey through Alfama, I'm reminded of the people I met along the way. From the warm smiles of the locals to the infectious laughter of the children, every interaction left an imprint on my heart. Alfama is a neighborhood that wears its heart on its sleeve, where community is at the core of everything, and where the spirit of the Portuguese people is palpable. Alfama is more than just a neighborhood. It's an experience. It's a journey through time, a sensory feast, and a testament to the power of community. As I look back on my adventure, I'm reminded of the beauty, the charm, and the eternal allure of this enchanting neighborhood. In conclusion, Alfama is a must-visit destination in Lisbon. It's a neighborhood that will capture your heart, ignite your imagination, and leave you with unforgettable memories. So come, join me on this journey through Alfama, and let's discover the charm of this captivating neighborhood together. What's your favorite travel memory from Alfama or Lisbon? Share with me in the comments below. And don't forget to check out another one of my travel videos for more adventures.